Hi viewers, in this tutorial I am going to show you how to animate bird wings in Autodesk Maya 2020 by Expression Editor. So let's get started. Alt plus B. First go to Mesh tool, select Create Polygon, go to Top View, click press X on your keyboard. This will turn on Snap to Grid option. C. Click one point here, one here, one here, one here, another here, one here, another here, one here. Press enter. Now right click, select vertex, select this vertex, move the vertex just here, move it as shown, select these two vertex, put it just like this. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, press D or insert key on your keyboard and press V to snap the pivot point here, just here. Again press D. Now go to vertex mode, select this, put it here. Now select multi-cut tool, press shift and click one point at the center of this edge and another here, press enter. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, press D or insert key on your keyboard, press V to snap it to the middle edge, again press D. Now go to perspective view, move it here, again go to modify freeze transformation, press Ctrl plus D to duplicate it and scale it -X and move it just here. Turn on wireframe on shaded mode. Put it here. This also here. Now select all. Go to modify freeze transformation. Take a polygon cube. Scale the cube just like this. Now again go to mesh tool, insert edge loop, insert one edge loop here and one here, one here and another here. Now go to object mode, edit, delete by type, delete history, select this face, click extrude, move it forward, again extrude, scale tool, scale it, now select this face, click extrude, again extrude, again extrude. Note the exact size or shape of the bird. I just make this shape to show you the basic procedure of wing animation with expression editor. Press 3 on your keyboard to see the smooth shape. Again press 1. Now select all. Go to edit, delete by type, delete history. Go to Windows, open outliner. Now rename this as left wing or feather. This one right feather. And this one as body. Press enter. Now select this left feather, rotate it and see this is rotating along Z axis. Ctrl G to undo. Now with selected this, go to Windows, animation editor, open expression editor. Now minimize it, select rotate G, copy this value, Ctrl plus C and Ctrl plus V to paste it here. Type equal sign time 10, again time 75. Copy this, click create. Now click play and see the effect. This is too fast. Go right click on your timeline, go to playback speed, select real time, again increase the frame to 200, click play and see the effect. Now do the same for the right feather. Select rotate G, paste it and type here R, only R, and put here minus, click create. Now play and see the effect. Go to frame 1. Now select the body, go to modify, open add attribute option, put it here and type feather height, float, keyable, scalar, type, minimum -8, maximum 8, click add, again type feather translation, feather translation minimum -10 or 200, maximum 200, click add, feather pivot, minimum -6, maximum 6, click add. All the attributes are adding on the channel box. See, feather height, feather translation, feather pivot, and the last one is body translation. Add value -15 +15, click OK. See, all attributes are added on the channel box. Now select the left wing, left feather or wing. Click rotate G. See, and type here body dot feather height and change the value to 30. Click create, play. This time nothing is happened because all the value of the attribute are 0. Now copy this, do the same for the right feather. Select the right feather and paste it. Just type here R, click edit. Again select the left feather, rotate Z, type here pivot, P-I-V-O-T, click edit, copy this, do the same for the right feather, just paste it here, type here R, click edit. Now change it to feather translation, Translation, click edit and copy this, select left wing, rotate G, paste it, type here R, click edit. Do the same procedure for the right and left feather. Now select the left feather, select translate Y, copy this, Ctrl plus C, and paste it here, Ctrl plus V, equal sign, time body dot body translation time 30. Click create, copy the value, do the same for the left feather, translate Y, paste it, first copy this, Ctrl plus C, paste it, Ctrl plus V, paste it, Ctrl plus V, sign time, copy the value from here, copy this, Ctrl plus C, select this, translate Y, and paste it, change it to R, click create. Now again select the body, translate Y, copy this and paste it here, and type here sign time, again time body dot body translation time 30. Click create. Now click play. See, nothing is happening. Change the feather height, nothing is happening. Change the body translation, type here 1, feather pivot, increase it to feather translation, increase it, feather height, increase it. Click play and see the effect. See, this is how you can create wing animation or feather animation with the help of expression in Autodesk Maya 2020. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.